Later today, President Biden will address the rise of the Omicron variant and surging COVID cases nationwide. The White House says the president will not be calling for lockdowns.
Now, here in the city, we continue to see a record number of COVID cases and lines at testing centers growing longer by the day. CBS News' John Diaz is live at a testing center in Times Square with more. John?
Chris and Mary, long lines have been starting to form here at this testing location well before it opens up at 9 o'clock this morning until 1 o'clock in the morning when it shuts down. Now, leading health experts, they continue to predict that we will continue to see this surge in COVID cases well past Christmas Day, quite possibly even well past New Year's Day. Then hopefully, though, we will see a downswing. Long lines lasted in Times Square until 1 this morning when the testing site shut down.
Most people get tested because they have a very particular worry.
The rapid spread of Omicron has created what the city calls an extraordinary increase in demand for testing. Mayor Bill de Blasio says it's record-breaking, more than 130,000 daily at city sites. That's double the number of tests done 3 weeks ago.
I think this uptick is folks who are just seeing so much of it around that they're going to a lot of extra precaution, too. They want the reassurance, and they want to be very careful.
De Blasio says this city has 89 testing sites throughout the 5 boroughs and is adding 23 more this week, including in community settings like at schools and libraries.
And they have much better turnaround time, bluntly, than some of the private providers. In terms of getting your test scores back. So we have a site and we have the ability to get someone a test in a reasonable time frame.
City supervisors will be sent out to make sure everything is running more smoothly, including at private sites. Anxious people have been waiting in long lines, sometimes through nightfall, with stress over Omicron dominating the week of Christmas.
It is the fastest, fittest, and most formidable version of the virus that we have seen thus far.
Monday afternoon, Governor Hochul said the state is adding sites in the city and Nassau County, plus a surge of home kits that people will soon be able to order.
We just had an arrival of 1 million testing kits. We have another million coming next week.
New York's positivity rate stands at about 9%. It's 12% in New Jersey, and many are breakthrough cases. All seem to have mild symptoms. Doctors say the vaccine is still doing what it was intended to do, prevent against serious illness and death.
No vaccine is perfect, and especially against a foe like Omicron, but those infections are much more likely to be mild compared to maybe somebody who is not boosted or not vaccinated, who may have a greater chance of ending up in the hospital.
And de Blasio said that he'd like to get out more at-home tests, but did point to a supply issue, saying that right now he is working with the private sector and feds to get his hands on more. We're live this morning from Times Square. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.